Hey everybody, and welcome back to Stance Bros. David here, and we got another product review for you guys. So we're reviewing Masterson's tire shine. We're gonna be doing it to this Master. We've already cleaned the tires. It's a ceramic coated car, and the last step to do is shine up the tires for them. So we're gonna be reviewing Masterson's. If you don't know who Masterson's is, I'm told it's Greg who left Chemical Guys and made his own brand. And I mean, I'm told it's much better. So if you're a fan of Chemical Guys, give this a try. It's $54 Canadian. You guys can buy it from Revolution's Detailing Calgary. He ships anywhere in Canada, so I'll leave his link at the top. And if you're in the US, I'll just leave the link to Masterson's down in the description as well. While you're down there, subscribe, give us a like, check out our online store for cool shirts, posters to decorate your guys' setups with, and a lot more. Okay, so we're gonna be throwing this right onto our applicator pad. It is a little watery. I don't really like things that are a little watery. It kind of gets messy. It kind of wastes product at times. But I mean, they got to make money somehow, right? 54 bucks. You'd think that would last a lot longer. Now, I have already applied this to 2 other vehicles, which are going strong. It's been about a week and a half, and that's driven in Canada in the snow, and they're still pretty glossy. So in terms of durability, and if you're looking for a long-lasting tire shine, this will definitely last you a pretty good amount of time. How long, I don't know. I'm guessing it's about 2 to 3 weeks. In terms of shine and gloss, you know, it's more of a satin finish. So if you're somebody that likes this nice satin finish on your car, this is definitely the tire shine for you. It's not the glossiest coating, or glossiest tire shine, I should say, but it does look pretty nice. Again, make sure you're cleaning your tires before you apply it, otherwise it's not going to last you very long at all, and it's not going to be glossy whatsoever. So just like that. I'll bring you guys up a little bit closer so you guys can be the judge of how it looks. Again, it's more of a nice matte finish rather than a gloss. Just to compare it to something, here's a wheel that's not glossed up. So what are my final thoughts on the Ultra Gloss Tire Shine? Well, I think the label's a little misleading. It says Ultra Gloss, and as you guys seen before, it's more of a satin finish. It's great if you guys love a satin finish, but reading Ultra Gloss Tire Shine, you'd think that it would be ultra glossy. Next thing is it's a little bit watered down, which, I mean, what can you expect from somebody that used to be with Chemical Guys? And last, it's $54. I was expecting a little bit more. Out of 10, probably rated a good 6, just because it is super durable. Yeah, like I said, I believe this is gonna last. It's lasted about 2 weeks driving around in the winter, in dirt, in slush, in snow. I believe it's gonna go on to a 3rd week. So in terms of durability, super nice. In terms of gloss, not very good. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, check out our online store, and I'll catch you on the next detail.
Here at Stance Bros, we're recognized as one of Calgary's premier detailing spas. Our meticulous attention to detail ensures every vehicle entrusted to us leaves looking its best. Join us on this channel as we showcase our passion for cars, detailing expertise, and exciting car content. At Stance Bros, we're cultivating a community united by our passion for all things automotive.
Nice stance, bro.